Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub from Iconic Solutions, Spin Tower, Sheikh Zayed Road, Dubai. Ta-da-ta-da. See that? I reached Dubai. And I'm going to be here time and again, right? You may not find me in Dubai when you're watching this video. I may be elsewhere, but you can check, right? Anyways, guys, well, sometimes when we are preparing for Ielts, we start believing that getting high band score in Ielts is impossible. And then negativity lands. We start thinking that Ielts people, Cambridge, British Council, IDP, they don't give band score deliberately to the students so that they try Ielts again and again and again, right? But in the same circumstances, one of my students got high band score. I'm going to share his TRF with you, right? This is going to make you believe that if he can do it, you can do it. You might have heard the story of 4 minutes a mile, right? One person made a record of 4 minutes a mile and thousands of people tried, but his record was still there, unbroken record, and people started to think that it is not possible. Man has reached his athletic limits. Less than 4 minutes is not possible. And then came, I think, Roger Bannister or John Landy, I'm not sure, and he broke that record by 59 point something. See that? 4 minutes. And then he broke the record by 59 point something, like that, 58 point something, like just, friction of 1 second, and the record was broken. Once he broke the record, several other people broke and reduced that 4 minutes per mile by few more seconds. So when you start to believe, then things start happening. And if you don't believe, you're preparing for Ielts and you strongly believe they will not give me the band score, I will not get my desired band score, test will be difficult, I will not be able to answer the questions, I will not be able to go to a foreign country. If you have all these negative feelings, these negative feelings will become your reality, and at the end you will not be able to get your desired band score. Anyways, let's move on. One of my students, when he got his result, listening 8 band. Alright, listening 8 band, reading, where people say we don't understand reading is a nightmare, reading is this, reading is that. He got 8.5 in reading. I'm talking about human achievement here. I'm talking about Ielts candidates achievement. It's not the robotic achievement or technological achievement. If one can do, everyone can do. You just have to train your mind and skills and knowledge into a certain way, and then you're going to get that, whatever it is. Listening 8, reading 8.5, writing 7, and speaking 7.5. So if you guys watch this TRF, and just imagine one day your picture will be on NTRF with your name and your band score like this. So most definitely this is likely to happen if you work hard, if you improve your skill, if you improve your music, if you improve your reading, speaking, and finally if you give proper time to Ielts, then someone's achievement will become your achievement. And sorry to say, if you don't do that, if you practice what the failures practice, so then their failure will become your failure. Someone's achievement can be your achievement if you pay the price, if you do what someone has done. For example, I've achieved this thing, I've achieved fame, I've achieved all these things in life. So if anyone wants to achieve that, they can do it, but they have to pay the price. The last 15, 18 years I've been struggling. So if someone is willing to pay the price of 15, 16 years of struggle, can achieve what I have achieved. So achievers' achievement can become your achievement if you follow the same path, if you pay the same price, effort, time, money, then you can achieve that. So if this guy achieved 8, 8.5, 7, 7.5, you can achieve that provided you work hard. Now this is not a motivational video. I'm not a motivational speaker, but this video is enough for those who were disappointed before watching this video, and now they feel a new, booster in them, new booster of energy boost, and adrenaline rush, and now they are willing to do whatever it takes. Guys, if you work hard, one day you are going to be here. Now you can see the flag, then you will see the country. Now you can see the flag on the map. Then you will experience the country. You will walk in Canada. You will talk in Canada. You will eat in Canada, and you will sleep in Canada. Okay, so all the best. Thank you so much. If you get good bench score and you want me to share that with others, I've hidden his name because of copyright issues, but if you want me to mention your name with your video, I'll do that as well. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. At the moment, I'm here in Iconic Solutions. They provide visa and immigration consultancy, and they welcomed me here, and I'm conducting my IELTS masterclass here in Dubai, Spin Tower, Sheikh Zayed Road. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.